Hi there! Have an empty room to fill but don't know what to fill it with? And you're too lazy to figure it out while modeling everything yourself? Don't worry! Sevi here, and I'm gonna introduce you to the mighty 3D warehouse! You heard me right!
Sevi!
Back in architecture school, most of us will have this concept of a beautifully working building with advanced components responding to different problems. We'll get to this beautiful design with functional facade and systems. Unfortunately, more often than not, we'll ended up too fixated on the envelope of the building and leaving no furniture in the finished plan. That's okay, I can add it in the render. Okay, that's fair. That's what I do too a lot of times. But if you want to estimate how many people can fit there, how many seats, how could it be arranged, you could try to visualize it in plan as well. And the shortcut to this in Sketchup is the 3D warehouse. You can find the 3D warehouse in the right hand tab here. Go ahead and click on it. Also, don't worry if it takes longer for your Sketchup web to open it. It will usually take longer the first time. Just get it prepped, and if you have done that, you'll get to this home page, which is the search page, and you can just start looking for anything you like a bed or whatever. Let me draw a quick room for us to fill right now. Okay, here we are. Let me delete this guy. Bye-bye. Now let's find a good bed for this small bedroom of ours. You can click on it and check on the specs, and if you're ready to put it on your project, just click the download button. And if it said the object is too big, just click OK if you don't mind it. Also, the object will be a group. And if you want to edit it, you can explode it and delete a component that's bothering you and regroup it again. That's the same method if you want to change the material as well. That, or double clicking at the target until you can click individual faces. The furnishing's done. Now the finishing touch, I'll put material on the walls and floor. You can do the materials first and then furnishing. The floor isn't set in stone. And we're done! If you want to practice, go ahead and check out the link in the description. I've made you different room bases to furnish, so go ahead and download the files for free. I'm excited to see what you come up with. Until next time, bye-bye!